Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville dual boiler, and pretty much what we did is we replaced the solenoid valves, both of them. These are older ones, this being one of them, as you can see. Then we had a couple of leaks on these prongs, which we were able to replace them. So we're going to do a couple tests. We're first going to grind using our test coffee. We're going to do a test double shot. And here's that for you. Now we're going to let it brew. The first 8 seconds is pre-infusion. Then it should start coming out after that. As you can see, water's coming out through the group head perfectly fine. We're going to let that brew. As you can see, pretty good shot. Then we're going to test the hot water. Comes out of the side. Looking good. Then we're going to do the steam wand. We had to clean it up a little bit, but you can see it's coming up. And that's about everything we did. Thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.